Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, bathi abantu ever since nimphucele uMayeni iCandy Crush yakhe, listen, she is dealing with all of these people that are coming to hlukumeza her one by one. Cala nimnikezeni iCandy Crush yakhe, because guys, hayi bandla kushubile guys. Guys, in uMayeni's diary session, not ugirl wearing a pantsuit. Hey, galana uba ubusele uyagula galana. She's wearing isuti ene bhulukwe. Guys, listen, she is not here to play. Umayeni sis uMacele, while uMacele or when uMacele called her out for lunch, she says ukuthi umusa ugulisa ukujabula kakhulu. Guys, did I not love you? In other words, she said, andithi wena uthanda uzenzela umathanda wakho akithi, and you were too happy ukuthi he vele selafikile number 5 manje ke ukujabula kwakho buka ke where it has placed you. She goes on to say ukuthi he was overly excited. Phela ukujabula kakhulu kurongo nakhona. Guys, I was laughing. I'm like, uMayeni, guys, even uMacele there, she's busy laughing. I'm just like, uMacele is laughing, but listen. But one thing people were commenting uMacele ben uMayeni about, and I've said this before, one thing about them, when they are together, guys, I feel like they do respect one another's boundaries, because in that meeting, uMacele no Mayeni, no one disrespected anyone. They were speaking civil. I feel like with all these ladies, when they're sitting with all the wives, when they're sitting with one another, people respect one another. Once kungena umusa, then things just change, guys. Things just change. But anyway, uMayeni is like, listen, Leo BP. Izohlezi i-on and off ngoba lo muntu uthanda uzenzela umathanda wakhe, and because he likes doing things his own way, his blood pressure is always going to be up and down. I'm just like, guys, another interesting perspective that I saw on Twitter. This one girl was saying on Twitter, guys, uMayeni knows exactly what she is doing. Ever since this person was saying, Gucci, the reason why Musa is in hospital is because of uMayeni. Because this person is saying, Gucci, ever since uMayeni left Mzumbe, all of a sudden everything is crumbling down. So this person's insinuating that uMayeni knows how to get to uMusa. She knows ukuthi zombamba kuphi, so that this man finds himself in a situation where ingathi ugula ikhanda, he doesn't know what to do. And I'm just like, girl, I hear you, but I feel like maybe this person kind of has a point. Not that uMayeni is the cause of uMusa's sickness, but guys, do you feel like uMayeni's leaving could have been the start, not the start because things have not really been going well, but could have been like the start of things like getting worse, because this season, guys, everything is just ablungi. And like ever since uMayeni has left, or ever since this season, listen, uMayeni is not here to try and play peaceful family or whatnot. uMayeni even said naye she wants a site for herself and have her house outside of Mzumbe, her house, where it's going to be called Kwayenya Kwamselegu, you guys. And I'm just like, what if this person has a point of Phela uMayeni knows, not that the other wives don't know him, but I feel like her relationship that she has with him is kind of different. I don't think uMusa really thought uMayeni would ever leave like that. I mean, in the previous seasons, he'd say Manwabe vela ngahamba, kodwa lo uMayeni, he didn't ever see, I mean, uMayeni is doing what we thought Umbani would be doing, you guys. So do you understand what, like, in Fichi that's going on there? It's like, what is going on in the Mselegu family, you guys? Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on that. But listen, guys, all I'm saying is that uMayeni iCandy Crush unless Wuti, did she finish the game or what? Because ever since she left iCandy Crush, guys, I was born to see film. It's feeling, you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next